ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆల్జీబ్రా ఫార్ములాస్ ఇవ్వబడ్డాయి. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. A power m whole power n equals to a power mn. A power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. A by b whole power m equals to a power m by b power m. A power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n.